This is a sponsored video from BeeBeeCraft.com. Hello everyone. Today I am sharing with you a Glam DIY review from BeeBeeCraft.com. So if you are any bit interested in seeing what I created, please keep on watching. Here I am using my Goodwill Finds glass crystal candlestick holder. I am also using some Fix-All from Dollar Tree and this beautiful gold crystal rhinestone bling chain wrap from BeeBeeCraft.com. So this is a sponsored video. As I mentioned before, I will have the link to BeeBeeCraft down in the description box. BeeBeeCrafts is a company that have many different crafts products, good quality jewelry making product that you can create crafts or DIYs. So with that being said, let's get into this video, and I will come back momentarily as I go through this video. So before we get started, I will be spraying some alcohol on this paper towel to make sure I have all debris or any dust taken and wiped off, to make sure that my product will adhere to the candlestick holder with no problems. Here you see me unraveling the chain, and I'm just showing you the quality of the product again. And I will be applying the Fix-All to the vase, to the candlestick holder. And I do apologize for the view. My tripod is broken, so I have to set the camera up at this angle. But again, I do apologize for the view and the angle. Here we are attaching the gold bling chain link to the candlestick holder, and we will begin to wrap it around. And as you wrap around, you want to pull gently so that it is tight and snug to your piece. And once you finish the first layer, you will begin to make sure that you press down the chain link to the base of your item. And I am using my paintbrush to do just that. I am applying more glue, and I am using my paintbrush to apply it around the base of the candlestick holder. And I like doing it this way so I don't have to glue as I go. I can apply enough glue to do several rows and then complete the rows and then apply more, and then it will be complete. I just wanted to let you know to please be mindful as you are using the crystal rhinestone bling chain, because as you are applying it, it can twist on you, and you don't want that to happen. But it is easy to turn and to apply correctly. It is very pretty, it is very lightweight and easy to work with. So I am so happy that I picked the gold crystal rhinestone bling chain to use in my DIY. Again, I will have BeeBeeCraft's information down in the description box, so please check that out. I will allow you to finish watching and enjoying my video, and I will chit-chat a little bit more about BeeBeeCrafts at the end of the video. So please continue to watch, and I thank you for clicking onto my video. All right, now that we have completed the project, I'm just showing you some quick pictures of my candlestick holders and how I can have them styled and displayed. And a quick reminder, if you have 100 or more subscribers, you can receive sponsorship from BeeBeeCraft. I will have that information in the description box below. I want to thank BeeBeeCraft for their wonderful, beautiful quality product. And I will see you guys in another video. Thank you, BeeBeeCraft, and thank you all